When you close any file, does Photoshop freeze or hang? As you can see, Photoshop CC pauses for 3-4 seconds before closing the file, even when I open and close a small-sized file. First of all, if you need to check your Photoshop preferences by clicking Ctrl+K. Set your preferences to Huge Pixel Dimensions and check the box for Use Graphics Processor. Hit OK and close the Photoshop. Now, right-click on this PC and click Manage and then go to Device Manager. Simply uninstall the graphics driver, making sure to not check. Delete the driver software for the device. Click on Uninstall and wait for the process to complete. Wait for a while. System will automatically reinstall the graphics driver when you see your graphics driver is reinstalled. Just restart your computer. This will update driver for all softwares. Open Photoshop, then open Files and try closing the files. You will see now, no more freezing AMD and the Photoshop is running smoothly.